nice and dark. So just a quick video. One part of when I bought the Beetle, it's very dark. None of the headlights or indicators work. I've been watching some videos on YouTube, and I just want to make sure I've got the two relays. I think it's supposed to have. Oh, that looks like the relay there. Look. See, it's been bodged in there. Let's see if all the wires are on it, but I'm just looking now. I can see one there, but that does look like they're all connected. I don't even know what that's for. That could be the motor, the wiper motor, but this relay, I just wanted to check the wires are on it. They are. There's only 3 wires on it, but I wonder. I'm sure I saw another relay earlier when I was looking. Let's have a look in here. Whoa, I know nothing about wiring. You can see there's a switch there. Now that probably wires the zoom motor. Zoom, zoom. So the main reason I'm looking is, what's this wire? Where does this wire go to? I have no idea what I'm doing. Obviously look and see if anything's come disconnected as well. Well, at the moment I can only see. Oh, what's that? That's a switch there that's got nothing on it. That didn't do anything. So I can only see one relay at the moment, and whatever that is, I mean, that could be a relay, but I don't think it is. Let's go down this side. I'm sure when I was looking earlier I saw a relay. See that switch, but that's not it. Well, let's see, I've seen this. I don't know what these 2 wires go for, but that is yellow. Let me try and clean it a bit. Yellow. And that is black. So they could be the reason I'm not getting any lights. I just want to have one more look. Because almost everything is connected. So, come on, there's another relay. I'm sure I saw another relay. See this big fat wire here, looks a bit. Anything else not connected? Hill could do with a good clean, can it? There's a big hot. This one here is a bit tight. Wonder why now. Oh, that's just live from the speedo. So yeah, didn't really learn anything from that. What's that? So it does to me look like there's a missing relay. But right, let's just quickly look inside. Silly bike in a way. Right, let's have a look in it. There's lots of junk here, sorry. Right, just last little quick look. I think I saw a relay hanging down, or was it in here? Or... No. Nothing down here? No. So obviously there's that, but that's all connected. I think that's a missing relay, but I could be wrong. It definitely is not. There's the fuses. See that? They're all, look to me, fine. See, look, when you turn the ignition on, I know the battery's not connected anyway. Okay. One last look from this angle. Nothing there. There is just that one relay that almost like above it, but actually there's two relays. There's this one. I just spotted it now, so that pipe's in the way. You've got that one, which is pretty sure is the flasher one, and you've got the one below it, which has been strapped on with a bit of. So I wonder if I can get in there and see it. Oh, there's a wire that's loose. Just spotted one wire. This one. But it's obviously red, so that needs to go to a live. Can I see a spare terminal that has come off? No. But I'm guessing. So where does it go? It goes here. And then that goes. Actually, no, it doesn't. Let's see. No, it's there. It's that. No, is it that one? No. Oh, it's coming from the loom. So that has come off something. In here. There it is. Alright, let's put those back together. See? That and that. Bye bye. I'm going to put it back together.